Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we've got a 2009 Kawasaki Concours 1400cc Sport Tourer. We're going to take a walk around this beautiful bike and then we'll fire it up so you can hear it run. This bike is in absolutely mint condition. No signs of it ever being tipped over or dropped. As you can see, the bags are in beautiful shape. The seat, no rips, no tears. Everything is super clean on this bike. And it does have an attachment to be able to hold your GPS, cell phone. Let's see here, no rock chips, no dents, no dings. Front tire is in excellent shape. You can see got a cramp buster on it and another accessory. Here's a shot of the other side tank bag. Super clean, like I said. No signs of ever being tipped over or knocked down. This bike also is piped with a Two Brothers system. The back rack. The back tire on this bike's practically new. You can still see the little knobs on it and the yellow stripe in the tread. And as you can see, this bike is shaft drive.
Oh, we had
6,698 miles are all that's on this bike. So she's just getting warmed up. You can hear that Two Brothers system on it. It's got a nice rumble to it. Just a super clean Sport Tourer. This bike will be going through our 24-point pre-sale inspection. Will also come with a 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. Along with, as long as you own this bike from us, you're also going to get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping simplystreetbikes.com.